Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to share an idea to WhatsApp in Deepstash. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the very end. So as of the latest versions of Deepstash, you could now start sharing Instagram and Facebook basically ideas and Deepstash articles to Instagram and Facebook stories. And as you know, Facebook and Instagram are owned by Meta, so automatically WhatsApp itself can be is one of these social media platforms that you can send these stories or basically the ideas to. So how can we do it? Well, next to each profile or idea that you want to share, you will have at the bottom stuff like this. So what you want to do is to simply click on this button that will be 3 points and click on share into Instagram, Facebook, or basically in our case here, WhatsApp. So here I have an example. So let's go to this Deepstash, for example, which builds habits that help you stay consistent every day. And here let's talk about, for example, this one here. Start small to build momentum. So here I'd like this one, so I'm gonna click on here to save it, for example. And then in case I would like to share it, you can simply copy the link, and then you can literally go to your WhatsApp, go to Instagram, go to any direct link or like direct messages and simply paste the link in it. Simple as just like that. For example, or let me just copy it again. For example, here, so it's gonna be something similar to this. Normally here you could view them in another way. If you were in phone, it's gonna be something similar to this. So you can click on share, and here you will have like Facebook, X, Instagram, etc. There is more, of course, depending on what you have on your mobile. But in general, all you need to do is to go to one of these, click here, and then share them. Just share the link or share from here, which is very much convenient. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in next upcoming video.